Hi friends, this video is continuation of our previous videos. We are doing the to have construction. So in the previous videos we have done the irregular only, that is मैं, हम and तुम. So in this video we are going to work on how do you use with the different pronoun. So here you have a two version, आप and तुम. So आप is formal and तुम is informal. So if you say, do you have this book? Do you have this book? So this is a yes no question. Yes no question always start in Hindi with क्या. So क्या, आप, oblique of आप is आप. क्या आपके पास ये किताब है? So there is no effect on आप of the compound postposition के पास. If you remember, आप doesn't change. तुम change, हम change, मैं change to मेरा, मेरी, मेरे, but आप remain the same. क्या आपके पास ये किताब है? Now let us do with the other one. So informal and near. He has two rooms. He has two rooms. So he informal near. So what is informal near? Do you remember? Informal near is ye. This is pronoun. But do you remember, if ye is followed by a postposition, whether it is a simple postposition or compound postposition, it must change. So oblique of ye is. Oblique of ye is. And postposition is के पास. इसके पास. इसके पास. Two rooms are object. इसके पास दो कमरे हैं. इसके पास दो कमरे हैं. See, कमरे is masculine plural. Two rooms. That's why this is हैं. इसके पास दो कमरे हैं. Now, what about informal and far? Informal far is वो प्लस के पास. So oblique of वो is उसके पास. If you say he doesn't have time, he does not have time. So this would be उसके पास time, समय. How do you pronounce? समय. उसके पास समय नहीं है. उसके पास समय नहीं है. Then we have formal near. Formal near is ye is followed by a postposition. This ye become in के पास. So if you say he has big chair. So here in this we are using pronoun, adjective and noun, everything. This might be a review class for you, a catch-up class from the previous one. We are using the noun and adjective and all. So he has big chair. Formal near. So ye become in. So this would be in के पास. Big chair. बड़ी, because chair is feminine. इनके पास बड़ी कुर्सी है. Then we have formal far, way. That's way become उन. That means he, she, that has. So उनके पास कुछ नहीं है. उनके पास कुछ नहीं है. This means कुछ नहीं means nothing. He doesn't have anything. He has nothing. उनके पास कुछ नहीं है. सो इनके पास, उनके पास, इसके पास, उसके पास. And if you say who has my key, who has my key? Key is feminine, my is possessive. Who? Do you remember who is con? But if a con is followed by a postposition, this con changes to kiss. So this would be किसके पास, किसके पास मेरी चाबी. Actually written is chabi, but we pronounce chabi in eastern UP, Bihar and all. It's written, when you see the script is written chabi, but we pronounce chabi. So किसके पास मेरी चाबी है, किसके पास मेरी चाबी है. Who has? One more thing, someone, anyone means कोई, कोई, but this कोई changes to किसी if it is followed by a postposition. So does someone has water? Does someone has water? So this is again yes no question. Yes no question start with क्या, क्या किसी के पास पानी है. If you are walking in a group or something, you get tired or you need water, क्या किसी के पास पानी है? So this कोई become किसी. And like others oblique plural pronoun like हम लोग, आप लोग, ये लोग, वे लोग, they change to the plural forms. हम लोगों, आप लोगों, तुम लोगों, इन लोगों, उन लोगों, all this. But as of now, this is enough and sufficient to describe in Hindi how to express to have a verb in Hindi. So now let us move to the next one. You guys use so much times, many often you use like I have brother, I have sister, I have, how many kids do you have, So this is again a different construction in Hindi. So let me clarify you, to have an object is something different than to have a family words, to have family relations. When you possess something, you own something, then you use मेरे पास, something है. But to express the family relationship, a close term, family member, kids, blood relations, then you use possessive form. So we have already learned possessive form, but how to express to have family member in Hindi. For example, I have two kids. I have two kids. In English the same as I have two rooms versus I have two kids. But see the difference in Hindi. So you possess the room. So I have two kids. We don't possess. You have like relations, like they're my own. In Hindi this would be my two kids are. One is object, one is human being, relations, family words, terminology. So in Hindi, this would be my two kids are. So the construction would be possessive form plus family word. Very important, family word plus hai and hai according to number and gender of the object. So I have two kids in Hindi would be my two kids are. So my possessive form will be according to number and gender of the what family words we are using. So this my, which is mera, meri, mere, mera, meri, mere. You can go through the previous videos, I think before to when in this other classes we are learning possessive form. So mera, meri, mere. This mera, meri, mere will change according to the kids. So kids is plural. Bacche, do bacche. So mera, meri, mere. So we'll be using mera, meri or mere. We'll be using mere. Mere दो बच्चे हैं. मेरे दो बच्चे हैं. And if you say I have one daughter, so this mera would become मेरी. मेरी एक बेटी है. So बेटी is feminine, which is daughter. मेरी because of the बेटी. है because of the बेटी. It's very important to emphasize here everything is बेटी. This मेरी change because of the बेटी, है change because of the बेटी. So मेरी एक बेटी है. I have one daughter. If you say we have three sisters. We have three sisters. So this we, which is hum, become, what is the possessive of hum? Hamara, hamari, hamare. And we are using sisters, feminine plural. So this will be hamari. Hamari तीन बहनें हैं. हमारी तीन बहनें हैं. We have three sisters. So this हमारी because of the बहनें and हैं because of the बहनें, plural. हमारी तीन बहनें हैं. Then if you say you informal, you, how many kids do you have? So here using informal. So तुम्हारे, you don't know, you are assuming the kids including the masculine and feminine both. So this would be तुम्हारे कितने बच्चे हैं. So this तुम्हारे because of the बच्चे, we are assuming the kids, plural, masculine plural. हैं, तुम्हारे कितने बच्चे हैं. With the rest, you know, you can use, for example, how many brothers do you have? So formal would be आपके. So possessive form, आपके कितने भाई हैं. आपके कितने भाई हैं. One more thing. If it is mixed gender, brother and sisters, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Like siblings. So the default is masculine plural form. It will be how many brothers and sisters do you have? So it will be आपके कितने भाई, भाई is brother, sister बहन, आपके कितने भाई बहन हैं. How many brothers and sisters do you have? आपके कितने भाई बहन हैं. Same way, he had, she has, they have. The possessive form of ये is इसका, इसकी, इसके. He does not have sister. Informal near would be इसकी बहन नहीं है. He does not have sister. He does not have sister. Informal form, ये उसकी बहन नहीं है. Same with इनका, इनकी, इनके, उनका, उनकी, उनके. So this is way to differentiate using to have construction as a object and to have as a family terminology. It's very subtle, be careful, and you can practice it. Make some examples of using this. You can send me, you can message me, you can write a comment on this if you have any questions, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to me. I hope these videos are helpful to you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. धन्यवाद.